Hey guys, 8-Bit Rambo here. This probably takes 7 of this video. I keep making mistakes. So, for those of y'all that are having trouble installing your mods, can't get them to work, you downloaded them from High Speed Gaming, whatever it may be, and those of you that were looking into playing on the FiveM and High Speed Gaming servers and whatnot, this video is going to try to keep it short. But basically, I'm going to show you guys how from the beginning with FiveM installing and then how to get your mod installations done correct. Also, a workaround that I was told that actually worked for me. If you already have everything installed and you just want to see why your mods aren't working, then you can probably skip the first minute or two to where I'll be installing. So for everyone else, including my friends that are looking into playing this, what you're going to want to do first, open up Steam. I advise downloading Grand Theft Auto 5 through Steam and not Rockstar, because Rockstar servers are very slow at downloading, and Steam will be a lot quicker and less of a headache. So download the game. That's going to be the first thing you do. When it's done, launch the game, let it do its load in and everything. Once you're actually in the game and you can move around, go ahead and close out the game. This will save you a step later on. It'll also download any additional files and hidden stuff that will make it run better. Now, what you're going to want to do first, I prefer to use Google, but use whatever search engine you prefer. You're going to type in FiveM, 5, and then M as in Mike. Google's first thing that comes up is FiveM.net. That's where you're going to want to go. You're going to download the client. This is the first page that comes up. Just tell it download client. Sure, I agree. I'm not going to do this because I've already downloaded that, and we'll go from there. Now, once this is downloaded, if you want to play on the high-speed gaming servers, you do not have to do this, but if you plan on being part of the community, just go to highspeed-gaming.com, create an account, come in, say hi in the introduction section, let us know who you are. You know, if you're new, don't be too shy. Like, we'll show you the ropes if you don't really RP. If you do, then come here and just let us know. We're pretty friendly people, most of us. So, another important thing why I'm saying come here is the download section. Now, a member of the high-speed gaming community was so nice to create this download folder. This basically will save you so many headaches, and it comes with a lot of the basic mods that you're going to want for the servers. Some of them are very beneficial, like this Google Map thing that I'm going to be showing you guys later. So, all you got to do is download this just like you did with the FiveM. However, this one's going to come in a .rar file. What you're going to want to do is have something that's going to unzip that file. So WinZip, 7-zip, whatever. I use 7-zip, doesn't matter. Once you have that downloaded, if you don't want everything in here, you're just looking for that Google Map section in the forms. If you go to the home page and you're going to go to tutorials, this is what you're looking for. Google Map style with street names. This is way better than the crappy map that comes in Grand Theft Auto 5. Sorry about that. Now, you're going to download this. You're going to have to unzip it also, just like the other one. It's going to be the same step when you install this as with the Great folder. We'll just say that. I'll show you how to do that. You just follow the same steps. This is what it's going to do with your map. It'll put street names on it. It'll color code them. As you can see up in this corner, you got the difference between grass, city. It's great. It's an outstanding map, especially for roleplay. So you're not like, oh, where's Adams, Apple Boulevard, and Power Street? It's right here, dude. Right there. Anyways, I regress. Once you have all this downloaded, you're going to go to wherever you go. I'm running Windows 7. So wherever you have your download section, you're going to want to go there. The FiveM one comes default like this. The other one comes in like this. So does the Google one. You're going to want to right click, extract files, and it's going to create a folder like this. Now, before you do anything else, run the FiveM. Its default is going to be your C drive. Now, I advise, just to save yourself a headache, open up your C drive into another window. If you have hidden folders, you're going to want to make them visible too. You're going to need this. So what you're going to want to do, FiveM default is C drive, users, then whatever your computer username is, 8-Bit Rambo for me, the hidden folder, app data. That's why you need the reveal hidden folders. You're going to go to app data, local, and in here you're going to look for the FiveM folder. Now, you can read these and it'll help explain it. I made the mistake of not reading those and I was basing it off of these icons. This one here is what you need. Now, this is not an application running thing. It's an actual folder, as it says here. This will save you a headache. It took me probably 3 days before I realized this. Double click it. Now, default, you're going to create this folder. It is not here by default. So all you gotta do is click new folder, type in plugins, and it's gonna create this. Inside your plugins folder, you're going to drop the INI ASI files. Now, somebody I know right now saying, oh, well, you don't drop both here. I get that, but I've done a look because I was having issues. I Googled it and people were saying it doesn't hurt to drop both in here. And when I dropped both in here, it actually fixed a lot of the issues I was having. So for some of y'all that have this fancy FiveM Visual 5.1, if you open this up and go through the million folders, there's also instructions here to help you. You're going to find these folders here. Now you choose one, Visual 5, or sorry, this says no Visual 4 or Visual 4, Visual 5, not 4, whatever. I'm not doing another take. You got to open it up. Just drag and drop the plugins folder into this C drive FiveM app data folder. You got to do the same with citizens. Now those of us that already have mods in here, if you drag and drop, it's going to give you this, tell it to merge, move and replace whatever you want. I'm not going to because I don't want to screw up my settings. Now, another thing you can do, which is what I was reading online, because you're going to want to put some of these into your Grand Theft Auto folder. Now, just like before, the ASI and INIs, from what I heard from people and from what I read on Google searches, you can drop both into there. It doesn't hurt. Now, my Steam one is located in my D drive. Default is C. You get to go to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, find your game. Part of one of the reasons we ran the game is so that it has these folders created. You just need to come to this one here. You get to drop in your INIs. I don't think you need to put ASIs in this one, just INI folders or files. Okay? Once that's done, you should be good to go. You just got to run your server, your game, whatever. If you're lucky, it will launch in one go. If not, you may have to tell it to start again. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, please hit me up on the forums or Discord. I'm on that almost every day. Just shoot me a message. I'll try to help you out the best I can. If I forgot something or you guys know something better, don't hesitate to tell me. I'll do an 8th take if I need to, or even all the way up to 10. Thanks very much, guys, and have yourself a great roleplay session.